In this Remedy CMS Components Guide, we'll be looking at our Timelines component and how you can use it to add timelines to any of your primary specialties and services landing pages throughout your Remedy CMS powered website. If we navigate to the Timelines menu under the Components heading in the CMS, you'll see the screen where you can add and manage all of your timelines. To add a new timeline, you click the Add New Entry button at the top, name your timeline, and optionally give your timeline either a summary heading and a description, or both. The Page Association tab allows you to define which page you would like this timeline to display on, and then we'll later use our Widgets Manager to define where and how we want that timeline to display on our new page. Once you've created the timeline, from the listing view, you'll see this link under the Events heading to add all of these steps to your timeline. We have multiple different styles of timeline, but they can all use any number of steps. Ideally, timelines operate between 3 and 5 steps in the timeline, but they can be more if needed. If we take a look at the front end at some of our timeline styles, you'll see we have multiple different styles to support timelines in different ways throughout your Remedy CMS website. Timeline 2 style follows more of a horizontal bar. Alternatively, we have timelines that are more vertical, or timelines that scroll to more than 3 or 4 steps. To add the timeline to the page that you would like the timeline to display on, you go back to the Content Pages menu, find the page that you want to add your timeline to, choose the Widgets tab at the top of that page, and then select which timeline style you want to use for your new timeline to add to the page, and then define where on the page you would like that timeline to display. All widgets can display either before the primary content, after the primary content, or inset within the primary content on the page. In most cases, you would choose after content and then use the sort feature to drag and drop all of the widgets on your page into the order you'd like to create your content pillar for that page. You can always reference our Remedy CMS demo sites to see the different available styling for the different timelines so that you know exactly what timelines 1, 2, 3, and 4 will look like, and you can select the best timeline to fit your needs for your page.